My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser pop-ups and scary messages that come from the site Jamus.click. Some people may pretty suddenly notice these strange pop-ups to attack their Google Chrome and other browsers. These pop-ups indicate that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. They may also show some other deceptive content, and these pop-ups definitely try to mislead you. Their mission is to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. If you analyze these pop-ups and what they tell you, it looks as if they try to help you. They even use the name and the logos of some well-known security programs. But when you click on this Stay Protected button, you notice that you get forwarded to some other questionable websites that may promote a totally different software. So, if you have downloaded and installed anything like that, you should carefully research the control panel and uninstall any items that are suspicious. If you find something suspicious, get rid of it. Now, to make sure that your system is free of any other concealed threats, I would strongly advise researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.